Hello everyone. Today we are going to do an experiment to make a plastic bottle shoot out lava. Well, it's going to be very simple. This is food coloring. This is baking soda, and this is vinegar. Let me demonstrate how you should do it. You have to start with the baking soda. So, just put a little put all the baking soda into the bottle. And now I'm just closing the lid of the baking soda where it's to be first. Here. The next step is the food. It's red is it going to be. Red in case it's going to be lava. Okay, I added lots of food coloring and it's too much. Oh, just remember to have safety first. I have my goggles right there. They can change the color anytime. The special goggles. Everything is proven to be it. Now, we have to remove the cap of this vinegar bottle. It's quite tight to keep the vinegar in. There, it's up. I'll have to see it again. That's what you get. Yep. Careful. Don't forget to see me next time. Oh, and remember, but this bottle might have been old. If it wasn't old, it could have exploded in the whole quantity could have been almost completely filled with lava. I'm just kidding. Oh, this thing could be covered with lava, but it didn't happen. So I guess it's next time I'm going to get a huge, fresh, new bottle, huge as big as this house, and pour it in and explode. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. And after a while, we'll make a specially new design volcano made of outer paper and a plastic bottle and a cup. See you tomorrow. Kisses and bye-bye.